First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. If you're experiencing Google AI Studio API errors, start by identifying the exact error message and where it occurs. For example, the problem may happen while creating an API key, sending a request, selecting a model, uploading a file, or receiving a response. First, check that your API key is valid and that your application is using the correct key. If the key was deleted, revoked, restricted incorrectly, or exposed, create or rotate the credential through the appropriate Google AI platform settings. Next, check that your application is using a supported Gemini model and the correct API endpoint or SDK configuration. Model names, SDKs, and API features can change, so use the current Google documentation when updating your code. If you receive an authentication or permission error, review the project, API configuration, credentials, and required permissions. For quota or rate limit errors, check your current usage and limits. If your application is sending too many requests too quickly, reduce the request rate or implement appropriate retry and backup.